we will learn about QQ plot. QQ plot is mainly indicates the quantiles of two distributions against each other. The distribution of plot is generally used to compare the two distributions. Now we will go for the QQ plot. Click on analyze, go to descriptive statistics and QQ plot. Click on the variables and click on OK. Now you can see that this is our trend line and this is our plotting value. That means here x represent the observed value and y represented the expected normal value. And QQ plot is mainly used to observe the fluctuations from the trend line to find out the distribution is normal or not. In this case, we have seen that our plotting values are not so much fluctuated from the trend line. So we can say that our data is normally distributed. Basically, discrete scale, when we used discrete scale, we used QQ plot to see the normality. You can also show the QQ plot in different ways. Click on analyze, go to descriptive statistics and click on explore. From here you can also do the QQ plot. Click on the normality. Now click on OK. From here you can see that the QQ plot. Okay guys, thank you.